We had such a beautiful weekend, and that trend continues right into our Monday.
That's right, picking up where we left off, continuation of that more pleasant version of summer weather. Summery warmth, yes, plenty of summer sunshine, but minus the intense humidity and the excessive heat we had last week. We had so many 90s last week, almost every day reached into the 90s, and we had heat indices that were a little problematic at times. Today, that's not the case. We had some clouds. Watch that canopy of cirrus clouds slowly eroding from north to south. That little disturbance that followed the cold front that came through last evening that is generating some showers west and southwest of us. We had just a couple of clouds out of that, and now those clouds moved out. We have just a couple of very sparse fair weather cumulus clouds, plenty of sunshine from a CC Heights. That's our Lewiston auto camera. There are those showers south and west of us, the clouds going with it. We have clear skies now across the map, and that's the story of the afternoon. We'll be in that range for the next couple of days with that blue sky and temperatures basically where they are right now. We'll be dealing with this kind of weather for another couple of days. Winds have turned more to the north and northwest. A slightly moderate breeze now that's picked up just a bit, and it will be a little breezier this afternoon. Right now 11 miles per hour here in the weather patio. The dew point only 52. Far cry from the upper 60s and low 70s, the really muggy stuff we had last week. So that is the big change. Right now 80 degrees, air pressure is steady, 30.03 inches of mercury. Temperatures close to 80 across the map. Rochester officially at the airport 79. It's 81 now in Austin. Mason City 81 and low 80s in Winona and in La Crosse at this hour. Again, northwest breeze 8 miles per hour officially in the city of Rochester. 79, but you know, it feels like 79. You can't factor in any type of heat index changes because the dew point is not a problem. It's not excessively muggy, so there's nothing to change that. Overall, it feels like temperature. Sunny skies today. We'll be in that range mostly, aside from maybe a couple of late week thunderstorms and maybe just a little bit of that activity impacting Father's Day weekend. But vast majority of the next week featuring very pleasant weather, very tranquil weather, but still sprinkler necessary type weather because we're not getting the rain we would probably be hoping for at this point. Showers to our north and east, a couple spotty showers southwestward, otherwise high pressure coming in behind last night's cold front. That's going to set up here for the next 3 or 4 days until that late week thunderstorm chance does come in eventually. 79 now in Rochester, Marquette, Michigan 66, some cool winds off the Lake Superior at this point. Fargo 81 and North Platte 85. No 90s, or not very many 90s regionally, and the humidity is much drier than it has been recently. 50s and even 40s for dew point temperatures. So crisp, dry weather. Winds 15 miles per hour or so. 84 the expected high. Staying in the 70s for the evening and then dropping into the 50s later tonight. So another relatively mild, cool night. You may want to keep the windows open at least for the overnight hours and enjoy some of that natural air conditioning. Spotty showers east of us today. Otherwise, for us, it's a nice north breeze that will diminish later tonight as high pressure draws a little bit closer to the area. Clear skies, light winds, plenty of sun tomorrow, right around 80, and that'll maybe end up being the coolest afternoon high temperature of the week. And then looking at Wednesday, slight southerly fetch of wind draws in some more warmth, mid 80s in some spots. There's that approaching cold front ahead of it. A shot of warm, humid weather sets the stage for some thunderstorms on Thursday. See humidity really ramping up for about a day. Much warmer weather ahead of that front, and once it goes through, then the weekend does look more seasonable. Again, we see those thunderstorm chances accordingly showing up with that frontal passage on Thursday, and again maybe late on Sunday. Otherwise, temperatures look very seasonable aside from that scorcher of a rather muggy Thursday. Those days, that day close to 90, the rest of the week closer to 80, which again is pretty typical for this time of the year. Today, just a little warmer than average, but not very humid and certainly comfortable with that northwest breeze. 84, most is sunny. Tonight, 57, a light north wind, and tomorrow, right around 80. A lot of sunshine, just a light northeast breeze. 7-day forecast, a lot of 80s, no 90s really to speak of. Chance of thunderstorms again Thursday afternoon and perhaps late Sunday and for Monday of next week. Temperatures really hard to complain about for mid-June standards.
Yeah, this is Minnesota summer at its finest, I guess.
Better than last week in my opinion.
Yes, much more comfortable. Thank you.